Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have a simple but super important lesson for A1, A2 learners, how to travel by bus. You're going to learn the 8 essential phrases you need to feel confident at any bus stop, including how to ask for the correct fare and stop. Stay until the end. I will give you a simple speaking exercise that will prepare you to use these phrases on your next trip. Let's start the journey. Every morning, I leave home at 8 a.m. and walk to the corner. The first thing I do is wait for the bus. I check the sign to see the number of the bus I need, and I stand by the curb. When the bus arrives, I always check the number one more time. I get on, look at the driver, and ask the driver how much the fare is. I make sure I have the exact money ready in my hand. I pay the fare and look for a seat by the window. I like to watch the street. After a few minutes, I need to know where I am. I ask the person next to me, "Does this bus go to the library?" Or sometimes, "How many stops until the park?" I listen carefully to the answer. As the bus gets closer to my destination, I stand up and pull the cord to signal my stop. I don't want to miss it. When the bus stops, I thank the driver and say, "Have a nice day." Finally, I get off the bus and start walking to my office. It's a simple routine, and using these 8 phrases makes the trip easy every day. Perfect. You just heard 8 essential travel phrases. Now, let's practice them. Listen and repeat after me. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I ask the driver how much the fare is. I ask the driver how much the fare is. I pay the fare. I pay the fare. Does this bus go to the library? Does this bus go to the library? How many stops until the park? How many stops until the park? I pull the cord to signal my stop. I pull the cord to signal my stop. I say, "Have a nice day." I say, "Have a nice day." I get off the bus. I get off the bus. Great job. Now, here's a quick task for you. Imagine you are planning a trip. Write one question you would ask the bus driver or a person next to you. Use simple English in the comments below. Example: "Is this the right bus?" Or, "Where is the station?" If you want to feel this confident in every conversation, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.